The two I'm interested in are this one and this one. But I think it's this one I'm going to get, and I'm either going to name him Winnie after Winnie the Pooh or Tigger after Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. I think both names will really suit him. But that is the cat that I'm going to be getting. Toto, come on. Hercules, what's that? Herky, do you want to play? Look, Herky. Sussy, what's that? Teo, what's this, Teo? Teo. You get it? You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Ooh, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Ooh, you're gonna get it. Ooh, you're gonna get it. Ooh, come on. It's your play. It's your play. You're gonna get it, doggy. Drop. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Ay, 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 ay.